some human hair that I'm super excited about because it's from our good friends over there at Sunber Hair. Y'all know how I do human hair on this channel. I have to try a company like 3 or 4 times before I can like 100% vouch for them. And once I can vouch for them, I add them to my purchase rotation to bring you these reviews. If you look in that description box, I'll put a direct link to the unit that I got, as well as all the details and some links to their social medias, because I really do love Sunber Hair. They're one of the human hair companies that I recommend when you guys ask me for human hair recommendations. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I like to do everything on camera with y'all. Okay, plus I can't remember what I ordered. Look at that description box. So the unit comes in this hard shoebox with their branding on it. And then when I open the wig up, we have a silk storage sack with their branding on it. We have some byebyeknots tabs, which are great. I use these on actually all of my wigs, not just the one that the wig that these came with. They also have an edge band with their branding on it. They have some press-on nails, which are really cute. And they have some HD wig caps. So, some cute extras that I would actually use. Alright, as far as this wig that I ordered a 7x5 byebyeknots lace wig. It is 24 inches long. It is a loose wave, and it's in this beautiful color that I saw called T128. Or is that T12B? I don't know. Look at the description box. You'll see. When I saw this color online, I fell in love with it. And I think you guys are too. If I can get it out of this net. Yes, y'all. Look at this color. Isn't that pretty? That is such a pretty color. The other thing that I like about these units from Sunber Hair is everything is pre-done for me. First of all, of course, I could never get that color on my own. That's a given. But I could never get these curls on my own. I could never get this plucking done on my own. Like, I love that these are so beginner friendly. And that's what I'm always looking for. There's 3 things when I'm reviewing human hair, what I'm looking for. Was it affordable? This one was. Is it good quality? So far, we think so. And is it beginner friendly? And this makes it beginner friendly, having everything already done for me. As far as this cap construction goes, you have that 7x5 parting space in the front. And then in the back, you have an extended comb. You have some adjustable straps. They put that band of adhesion going around the back of the units where it's not sticky to touch, but it makes the wig lay flush to your head. And they've included an adjustable glueless band as well, which makes this wig, again, so beginner friendly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my head, brush out these curls, give you a 360, and then we'll come back with my final thoughts on this Sunber Hair unit. Be right back. guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this unit from Sunber Hair, and just like every unit that I've ordered from them, I am absolutely in love with this one, probably more so than most. And the reason why is I cannot believe that I could get a unit like this, take it right out of the pack, run a comb through it, and get these gorgeous curls, colors. Everything's already done. I don't have to worry about gluing anything down. I don't have to worry about tinting anything. I don't have to worry about plucking anything, because to be honest, I couldn't do those things. Okay, so the fact that Sunber sells these units pre-done like this are amazing. The other thing that I like about this is the quality of the hair, and that's a given. Every unit that I've ever ordered from Sunber Hair, the quality of the hair has been superb. This one is no different. I don't have a single con about this wig. I absolutely love the color, but had this just been in a normal, like a natural, like a 1B, I still would have loved the unit just the same. The color is just like a chef's kiss. I do think that this color would also be flattering on a variety of skin tones, whether you're lighter or darker than me. I think that this color would really just slay on you. So in the comments, talk to me. Tell me y'all's final thoughts on this unit, because I am in love. I also can say this. That's the other thing I want to touch on. Body waves are nice, but this loose wave or whatever this curl pattern is, I love this so much better than body wave, because it holds the curl a little bit more after you comb it out, and it's looser. It's not too tight. So I really do like this texture or curl pattern better than body wave. I really like this one. I encourage you to check it out. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are. Also tell me what are some other human hair style units that you want to see from Sunber, because y'all know I will go and get it. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye guys.